Today I'm going to be reading There's No Place Like Space, which is a Cat in the Hat learning book. There's no place like space. I am Cat in the Hat, and we're off to have fun. We'll visit the planets, the stars, and the sun. There's no place like space. I will prove it to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. Jump in, here we go. We will fly up so high. We can dance on the moon and play games in the sky. We will swing past the stars, and in case you have missed them, soon you will see the planets of our solar system. There are 9 of these planets that circle the sun, and soon you'll be able to name every one. Mercury is close to the sun's burning light. It's hot in the daytime but freezing at night. On Venus the weather is always the same, hot, dry, and windy with no chance of rain. Can you guess the next planet? Well, here's the clue. It's my home and home to Thing 1 and Thing 2. You have been living on it each day since your birth. It's third from the sun. It's our planet, Earth. It spins all the time, round and round like a top. It turns once every day, and it will never stop. This question had Thing 1 and Thing 2 in a tizzy. We don't feel the Earth as it spins on its way, 'cause we're spinning right with it right now every day. Next here is Mars. It's the color of rust. We sneeze here because it is covered with dust. Travel to Jupiter and you will find it's bigger than all other planets combined. Saturn has rings. It's so light. Who would think it could float in an ocean and not even sink? A planet can have satellites that surround it. Uranus has lots of these objects around it. There are colors in space. I will show you some. Neptune, you see, is a beautiful blue. If you lived on Pluto, it would not be nice. Some astronomers think it's covered with ice. It is chilly and cold every day and all night, for the sun's just a speck in the sky far away. We have seen all 9 planets. Now here is a trick to remember their names and remember them quick. The first letters of each of these words is the same as the first letter in each of the planets you name. Now here's a game you can play with in the skies. Connect all the stars you can see with your eyes. It's star dot to dot. Use your imagination and you'll see the big pictures that we call constellations. A star in the sky may look small like a dot, but it's really big, glowing, and hot. There's another star that's our favorite one. We can't live without it. The star called the sun. From Earth, it looks big. There's one reason why. It's closest to the Earth and the stars in the sky. But be careful and never look right at the sun. Your eyes would get hurt, and that would not be fun. Oh, look at the time. We must go very soon. But first, we must take a quick look at the moon. The moon does not shine in the sky at night, but like a big mirror, it reflects the sun's light. The universe is a mysterious place. We are only just learning what happens in space. So I brought you a present to look in the sky. Just put this telescope up to your eye. Oh dear, I must go fly back to the stars and take things 1 and 2 out to dinner on Mars. But there's lots to discover, and it might be you who looks up in the sky and finds something new.